In the realm of monumental infrastructure endeavors, few compare to China's colossal investment in the $450 billion mega project. As the world's second-largest economy, China has long been at the forefront of ambitious development initiatives, reshaping landscapes and economies on a scale unparalleled in modern history. This mega project, with its vast scope and transformative potential, stands as a testament to China's unwavering commitment to progress and innovation. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of this groundbreaking endeavor, exploring its implications for China's future and its impact on the global stage. The Guangzhou Opera House. When we look to the next one, you can see nature jumping out of it. The Guangzhou Opera House. A super famous architect named Zaha Hadid designed it. The cost? A whopping $200 million. Bring out the 200 million large. This big amazing masterpiece is not just a regular building. It's like stepping into a whole new world. The architect got inspired by nature when creating it. So it's not just about walls and rooms. It's like being in nature but inside a building. Imagine spending all that money on this incredible place. People say it's like art and nature coming together in one awesome spot. Zaha Hadid, the clever person who made it happen, thought about more than just bricks and windows. She wanted people to feel like they're part of nature while being inside. So the Guangzhou Opera House is like an adventure into a world of architecture and nature mixing up in a super cool way. The Shanghai Tower. When we talk about tall structures, we'll need to discuss the Shanghai Tower. It's unbelievably tall, reaching a crazy 632 meters into the sky. Can you imagine that? But it's not just about being super tall. This tower represents how strong and rich China is in money matters. The construction of this gigantic building cost an incredible $4.2 billion. Bring out the 4.2 billion large. A particularly special aspect of the Shanghai Tower is that it isn't just a tall structure. It's also environmentally friendly. Functioning like a green superhero building, it conserves energy. Thus, it not only showcases China's economic prowess, but also prioritizes eco-friendliness. This towering structure stands as a testament to both height and environmental conscientiousness, encapsulating the essence of the Shanghai Tower in a single sentence. The Viaduct. Embarking on the next marvel in our exploration is the Viaduct, an engineering feat that stands as the largest structure of its kind globally. This monumental railway bridge stretches over an impressive expanse of nearly 2,000 kilometers, seamlessly connecting central and southwest Western China to Inner Mongolia. Beyond its sheer size, this viaduct holds a pivotal role in the transportation landscape, serving as a vital conduit for coal distribution to the region. The trains traversing this colossal structure boast an astonishing capacity, handling an impressive 20,000 tons of cargo. The scale of this operation is awe-inspiring, envisioning the monumental movement of goods facilitated by this extraordinary infrastructure. As a testament to human ingenuity and innovation, the viaduct not only serves as a symbol of connectivity, but also exemplifies the remarkable capabilities of modern engineering in overcoming geographical challenges and fostering economic development across vast territories. The Bahan Hydro Power Plant. First up, we've got the Bahan Hydro Power Plant, a colossal dam that's taller than most skyscrapers. Back in 2017, China started this groundbreaking endeavor, constructing one of the largest hydropower projects ever. This mammoth concrete barrier stands at a staggering 289 meters, surpassing the height of many iconic skyscrapers. And it's not just about height. It's got 16 power units, each with a capacity of 1 million cow. The price tag for this hydroelectric complex? A whopping estimated $26 billion. Impressive, right? This powerhouse is not just generating electricity. It's also playing a crucial role in flood control, navigation, water management, and environmental security. It's like they're paving the way for sustainable energy while keeping the environment in check. Three Gorges Hydroelectric Power Station. Let's have a look at the remarkable Three Gorges hydroelectric power station, a colossal engineering marvel that sets itself apart from all other projects. This massive dam, boasting an astonishing weight of 65.5 million tons, stands as the heaviest undertaking in the history of our planet, a testament to human engineering prowess. The construction of this mammoth structure spanned a staggering 18 years, emphasizing the monumental effort invested in its creation. What makes this project truly extraordinary is its capacity to generate an astounding 100 terawatt-hours of power, a feat that surpasses many traditional power sources. To put this into perspective, it is equivalent to the energy produced by burning a staggering 50 million tons of coal in a thermal power plant. Even more impressively, the Three Gorges Dam achieved this while utilizing 85 times less concrete and 7.5 times less steel compared to the construction of the world's tallest skyscraper, the Burj Khalifa. This not only highlights its energy efficiency, but also underscores its innovative and sustainable approach to harnessing power on an unprecedented scale. China's mountain flattening experiment. These mega projects showcase the transformation of today's China, turning mountains into cities. Big changes are happening as they flatten tall mountains to make huge spaces for people to live. They're spending a lot of money, billions actually, on these really big projects. The goal is to make the mountains flat and build brand new cities on the flattened land. It's like a supersized makeover for the landscape. Picture this: giant machines working to level the mountains, creating space where there used to be big towering hills. Why are they doing this? Well, it's all about making room for more homes, buildings, and places for people to live. China wants to give more space to its growing population, and these projects are their way of doing it on a grand scale. It's like turning the natural scenery into a new human-made environment. So as they say, the mountains are moving, but not in the way you might think. The Tio Tunnel. The next one is a super cool engineering project. The Tio Tunnel. Chinese engineers worked hard for 4 years and spent a whole bunch of money, like tens of billions of dollars, to make this awesome tunnel. It's like a mega long and mega wide tunnel under the water, and it's the biggest one in China. This tunnel is 11 kilometers long, and guess what? It lets you zip across Tai Lake in only 8 minutes. That's super fast, and you don't have to deal with annoying traffic anymore. It's like magic, saying bye-bye to traffic jams and hello to a quick, smooth ride through the tunnel. Awesome, right? They did a fantastic job making this tunnel, and now people can get from one side of the lake to the other in no time. Dear viewers, which of these China mega projects you like the most by commenting? Give your valuable opinion about this in the comment box of the video. Stay with us to know about new mega projects in the world. Thanks.